Let's take a look at these summer pinks. They're just so pretty. This first one we've got is 100% cotton. It's a shirting, so you can see it's just perfect on both sides. Shirting means it's light, 100% cotton. It's just beautiful. Great selvage too. It'd be fun to play with that selvage. Very pretty. This next one, I love this fabric. It's a pink and blue pastels on a milk background. It's not a white, it's a milk. Beautiful, lightweight, again 100% cotton, just so pretty, and you can see just great drape. Really beautiful. This next is a salmon. It's a scuba. It's a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in both directions. These first two are wovens, and everything today is $14.99. Today only is $14.99. But this is a scuba. It's got stretch in both directions. It's wonderful. And then this is a fuchsia. This is 100% cotton. It's like a pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions. It's got great drape. Just incredible drape. $14.99 is a steal for these fabrics. And then I love this. This is 100% viscose. Great drape again. Beautiful fabric. $14.99 again. What a steal. Anyway, look at the drape on that. It's just so pretty. Summer pinks. And then this last one, it's perfect for a jacket. That 1953 that's on our Fit to Stitch site now. That's a pre-sale. Because it's good on both sides. You could really use that for a jacket or for many other things, but both sides are usable. Can't tell the difference. It is 100% cotton. It's very pretty fabric. So summer pinks. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.